that you get tired of my face, and I'll be the one left chasing. Oh, I've been drinking all this pain away, wasted away before midday. Had a feeling it won't last long, that you be bringing other girls home, that you get tired of my face, and isn't it so easy to let go? Tell me now, what am I fighting? Isn't it so easy to let go? How can you say